tonight we'll have a group discussion regarding to the topic 1, which is the meaning making. Me, together with my group mates, Miss Aramaika Obayan and Miss Marian Butilia, will have discussions related to the topic with the use of the guide questions provided. But first, I'll give the floor to Miss Aramaika Obayan to discuss the first 2 questions. Ara?
The second question. How and when are words created? Most researchers estimate that words have been around for at least modern humans. According to the Linguistic Society of America, this means language developed between 1,000 and 150,000 years ago in response to evolutionary changes to human spoken forms. So, how words are created? First is words are created from scratch. Second, words are also created through borrowing and adapting to others' words. Third is words are also created by adding prefixes and suffixes. Examples, eat. If we put the ing, it will become a new word, which is eating. Fourth is words are created through truncation and clipping. Example, the word burger. If we put burger, if we put the word ham to the word burger, it will become a new word, which is hamburger. Fifth, words are created through fusing or compounding existing words. Example, foot plus wear equals footwear. Six is words are created by changing the meaning of existing words. So the second question is, who decides the meanings attached to new words? So each time a new word arises, it gets to instantly spread throughout people from person to person. Then archived in database by specialized dictionary makers. When it is trending and become commonly used, most dictionary makers have billions of citations, and the context from those citations is used to create definitions. So I will give the floor to Marian Butilia.
Okay, good evening everyone. So, the next question is, what are the factors that influence in meaning making process? So, meaning making process designates the process by which people interpret situations, events, objects or discourse and delight their previous knowledge and experiences. So, the influence in meaning making is that on how we interpret the certain words or thing or how we use it in our life. For example, the word water. It is the word that water is the thing that can help us to keep still alive. Then water is the most essential thing to all of us, the human, animals, and plants. So meaning making it depends on how we give meaning of the word. Next, for example, the word trees. No, the importance of trees. It conveys the importance of the things. Then the culture of one society. Then the group of people in our society, for example, the LGBTQ community, diba? They have a different meaning of their words. So these are the factors that can affect the meaning making of the word. So next question is, what are the some word formation processes? So these are the coinage, borrowing, compounding, blending, clipping, back formation, conversion, acronym, derivation, prefix, and suffixes. So those word formation processes are very essential in word meaning making on how they used in a word or the root word. So these are the So, for example, the suffixes and prefixes. No, prefix is the word that applied in the beginning of the root word. So, the next, Kristen Sonnet, it's your turn.
So, which word formation process is prevalent in the modern or postmodern times? So, in this time where people living in this generation became very explorative when it comes to using language or words when speaking, the word formation process that is prevalent in these times is the coinage word process. This process is also called invention. It is a morphological process by which new words are evolved or invented. So, like the words lodi, sakalam, and sanaol, which is very popular among netizens and is invented through the trends or became popular among teenagers. So, last question. To what extent does politics or pop culture influence word formation process? Politics or pop culture they have a great influence on word formation processes in a way that these are popular in society, these are known, that people get to create trademark names of people or just the nicknames given to this particular individuals that are popular among society that they get to adopt and ultimately become everyday words of language. So that will be all for our group discussion regarding to the topic one, and hope that you learned something and we learned something to this discussion. Thank you.